Hello friends, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with PopOS, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. Select it. Then select the operating system. See here we don't have PopOS, but open terminal /etc os-release. See, its core version number is 24.04 and its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, its Ubuntu core name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select operating system as Ubuntu Linux. Then select version. See here we have the Ubuntu 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected the above options, it populated the list of the Debian packages. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 488 megabytes. And it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untar the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.44 on PopOS 24.04 LTS version. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed, but before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. We have successfully installed Ctrl ls. Now install MySQL Server. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.44. See here the message, please provide strong password that will be set for root account of your MySQL database. Leave it blank to enable passwordless login using Unix socket based authentication. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Hit enter. Re-enter the same password. Tab. Come to OK and hit enter. Select tab and hit enter. See here we have the different default authentication plugins: strong password and legacy authentication. Whatever you want you can select. Then come to tab and hit enter. See, except these test applications, all installed. MySQL also installed. So Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is installed, it is enabled, and service is active and running. Okay, go to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.44. You can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create table. Create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. New username is David-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now verify the same. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.44 on Pop! OS 24.04 LTS version. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Sorry, it is MySQL. See, MySQL server is stopped or inactive or dead. Quit to quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. Quit to quit. Control A. If you want to restart, just give same command, but here we have to give restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. We took it Control L until we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Pop! OS. Okay. So ls, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.44. Okay, remove them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file. Remove it. rm MySQL. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL server 8.0.44 on Pop! OS 24.04 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.